Heck yeah, man. That was off the chain.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. So we're in Dallas, Texas. We're getting ready to go ride some go-karts, you know, just do something different for the day. We're down here for the big show also, but you know, I got my brother here. So we're gonna get ready to go do some go-kart racing. We're gonna take y'all along with us. We're gonna have a blast. Who y'all think? Brother gonna win? A Kustom instinct. Brother gonna win? A Kustom instinct. Man, he crazy. Hey, y'all gonna see the race. We'll get a little B-roll for y'all on the way there. And y'all stay tuned. Peace. Alright guys, we made it to the K1, so we're getting ready to do some racing. I'm still gonna beat him though.
Oh yeah.
Y'all know I'm gonna win. Alright, man. We still gotta go clean up the car too, man. Y'all see that car?
You got all your phones.
Nah, I got them. Yes, sir. Oh, we got enough battery. My brother been sightseeing and stuff. Nah, we got enough battery. Oh, man. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah, that looks fast. Hey, they pretty quick though, bro.
Fast.
Huh?
They fast.
Yeah, they rolling.
He steady clipping. I'm gonna watch him. He got it.
Oh, you gotta wear that helmet too, huh? Hey, they fast, bro.
God damn.
They rolling though. Oh yeah. Hey y'all, I'm gonna be done drop the camera trying to race. Where's it at? Probably over there. Let's go to the restroom first. I like them tables though.
First one, number one.
Ain't nobody in here. That's a good thing though. We ain't gotta wait no long line or nothing. I guess they I thought they would have some more food. I thought they had a lot of food though. They don't.
You know I want to eat.
Alright guys, we're gonna turn y'all off. We'll turn y'all back on in a minute. I think you gotta
sign?
Yeah. You gotta sign that.
Yes. Right there, please.
Yeah, okay, give me 1 second.
No worries.
Alright, you don't know how many races you want?
Yeah, we're doing the 3.
A 3 race tag. And I have to tell you that there is a required $7 membership right there that has to be paid in order to get onto the track. Y'all cool with that?
Yeah.
Y'all paying together or separate?
Together. Yes, sir. Getting ready to go.
Coleman?
Yeah.
Alright, give him those. Get on it.
We're gonna be next?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
You have any cell phones, watches, wallets, anything that you want to put in the bin?
crazy. That was fun as hell, man. Gang, gang. That was crunk. That was awesome thing. Yeah.
They started him out in front of me. How you get it off? Okay, I got it.
It got hot though. Alright guys, that was crazy. That was awesome. It was fun. But we're gonna give him the win. Yeah, he barely. I stayed in the lead the whole time. But you can see, look, he got the fastest lap time. Hold on. Yeah, he got the fastest lap time. 17.928. Alright guys. Kustom Instincts with a K. What's up guys? Y'all doing alright? Y'all getting ready to do some racing?
Yeah.
Alright. You got Instagram?
Oh, yeah.
What's your Instagram so they can shout you out?
Hey, on YouTube. Let me see. Cloudies.Jackson too.
Okay. Alright. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. It's dirty right now. Appreciate it.
Going to the car show.
Alright guys, that racing was awesome, man. Now we headed to the big show. We'll see y'all in that next video. Peace.